Hello, I'd like to show you how to locate your machine ID. Machine IDs are unique to each system and are required in order to issue a license. To locate your machine ID for Scrutinizer, you'll log into the Plixer One platform. On the left side, in your menu options, you'll want to select Admin. Note, you will need administrator rights in order to access this. If you do not see the Plixer option on the right side of your slide-out tray, you'll need to check with your system administrator in order to get you proper access. Under Plixer, you'll see Scrutinizer Licensing. Inside this, you'll find your machine ID. It is selectable, so you should be able to copy and paste this. In order to receive your machine ID for other components, such as the Replicator or the FlowPro, you'll select on their appropriate licensing section within the same interface. Note that at the time of this video, their machine IDs are usually the same as the Scrutinizer Machine ID. There is no machine ID for machine learning. Machine learning is licensed through the Scrutinizer licensing key. In order to get your machine ID for Endpoint Analytics, you'll need to log in to the Endpoint Analytics system. Navigate to Configuration and upload license key. The top left of this page, you'll see a machine ID. This can also be selected for easy copy and paste. Once you receive your license key, you'll paste them into the appropriate section for that appliance. For example, for Endpoint Analytics, you'll paste the received key that you get from our software team into this license key and click Upload Key. It's worth noting that the machine learning appliance does not require its own dedicated license key and therefore does not have a machine ID. Instead, it is licensed through the Scrutinizer license. Plixer One, powered by Scrutinizer.